Hey everyone, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We have a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta TDI, 74,000 original miles on it. Just serviced, drives great. Just had a DPF extended warranty job done at the dealership. It is still covered under the Volkswagen extended warranty. Really nice car, exterior's in great shape. There's one little ding on the hood, but besides that, it's in really good shape. Interior's clean too, nice leather interior. Show you this little ding on the hood there. Do a walk around, check out the inside. Black leather. Really well kept car. Go ahead and start her up. 74,200 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a call or text at 228-438-2056. Or you can email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know anybody who might be interested. And if you need any services for your Volkswagen, Audi, or Porsche vehicles in the southern Mississippi area, definitely give us a holler. Thanks for checking out this video.